Yeah.
That was really fast.
The thing is, hey guys, just want to share my experience flying on a private jet from Las Vegas to Carlsbad, California. Flew on a company called JetSuite. The flight was $536. That was for the whole jet, and it's a 4-seater jet. So me and 3 of my friends flew down to Carlsbad, California. This company has 2 types of jets currently in their fleet. They have the Embraer Phenom 100, which is the one that we flew, and they also have a Cessna Citation CJ3. And how this works is companies have empty legs flight. What they do is they reposition the aircraft to pick up customers in other destinations and take them wherever they're going. And what this company does is they rather get some money than no money. So they charge $536. You get the whole jet. However, you have to go on their time, not your time. So if the deal works out for you and your schedule, that's the way to go. Alright guys, if you want to go ahead and get a JetSuite for yourself, just go over to www.jetsuite.com. Click on the link over here, it says Daily Deals. And you can see the daily deals and go ahead and book one for yourself. And enjoy! Thanks guys.